Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating and opening the Capitec app so the latest controls are available. Once logged in, make sure you know the merchant name and account you want to stop. Tap Payments and then Debit Orders or Manage Debit Orders to see active Debicheck mandates. This gets you straight to the consent list where you can act immediately. Once you locate the merchant mandate, select it and choose Cancel or Revoke Consent so the bank knows you withdraw authorization. Make sure the merchant name and next debit amount match what you expect, and then confirm. The app will ask you to authenticate. Use PIN, fingerprint, or the one-time code to complete the revocation and stop future. After cancellation, verify the mandate is gone in debit orders and watch your transaction history for any pending debit. Make sure the app shows the revoked status. If you cannot cancel an app, send a secure message or visit a branch to formally withdraw consent. Banks can also block future Debicheck mandates. If a debit still posts, dispute it immediately through the app or by
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.